Hi everybody, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. This video I want to go over the 0DTE. Had another profitable day. Able to do it Iron Condor where we got in and out in about an hour and a half. We'll go over the trade setup, why we chose the strikes the way we did, and let's learn more about how to do 0DTE. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And check out our channel. We've been doing a lot of 0DTE videos in the last few weeks. If you're interested in the strategy, you could join in a free 7-day trial at ThetaTraders.com. Let's get right to it. All right, so in today's trade, looking at previous day close, a little bit upward, very close to the call credit spread strike. Didn't have any real gap in the next morning. And the first 15 minutes, 20 minutes of the day was pretty flat. So we were able to go Iron Condor today because there was no clear trend in the market. Typically like to do Iron Condors when there's no big up or down movements because then you can collect premiums on the call side up here and on the put side down here. So we ended up selling a 40.70 behind the 40.60 put. That's the red bars right here. Also sold the 41.45 call and bought the 41.55 call. Total premium was 0.55, so we got $55 for every $1,000 that we traded with. Let the trade go by, and then right at around 10:30, so only an hour and a half, we were able to close it at 0.25. So we bought it back at $25. If you take your $55 and subtract $25 that we bought it for, have a net profit of $30 per trade. Costs about $10 in commissions. So you made about 2% in your trade, slightly more with the commissions being a little less than $10. And just imagine doing this over and over again, getting 2% on your money day after day. This is why this strategy works well. Even though we do have an occasional stop out, we're at an 85% win rate this year, and the winners are good enough to more than offset the losers. And we're doing really good trades right now. We're at about a 28% return for the year so far. So if you would like these 0DTE trades every day, do them every day except for when Jerome Powell talks. Those days have very wide movements in the market. We like to stay away those days. But every other day we'll do a 0DTE. Also do longer dated credit spreads, cash secured puts. Also do futures trades with MES, covered strangles. A lot of different strategies for selling options that will suit your preferences. You can join a free 7-day trial at ThetaTraders.com. And I'll see you guys on the Discord. Happy Tuesday and happy trading.